Students, topic of the video is multiple angle. This is 29th lecture on multiple angle. In this lecture we prove that 16 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15 equals to minus 1. Initially let us assume pi by 15 equals to theta, then pi equals to 15 theta. Then this LHS can be written as 16 cos theta into cos 2 theta, because 2 into pi by 15, so cos 2 theta, cos 4 pi by 15 cos 4 theta, cos 8 pi by 15 cos 8 theta. Now numerator and denominator is multiplied by sin theta, and we take 2 from the 16 and the outside part is remains 8. So 2 sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta cos 4 theta cos 8 theta. Okay, now 8 sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. By the formula of sin 2 theta, we know that sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So in the place of 2 sin theta cos theta, we use sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta cos 8 theta. Again we take 2 from this 8, it remains 4 only. Then 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta cos 8 theta by sin theta. 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Here we theta is replaced by 2 theta. So double of 2 theta is 4 theta. So 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is double, becomes double. So it becomes sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta cos 8 theta. Now divided by sin theta. Again we take 2 from this 4, it remains 2 only. So 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta within bracket and cos 8 theta divided by sin theta. 2 sin 4 theta cos theta. Here theta is replaced by 4 theta. So theta double 2 theta, double of 4 theta is 8 theta. So 2 sin 8 theta into cos 8 theta by sin theta. 2 sin 8 theta cos 8 theta, using same formula. Again this 8 theta becomes double of 8 theta is 16 theta. So sin 16 theta by sin theta. Sin 16 theta can be written as sin 15 theta plus theta by sin theta. Now 15 theta is pi, so sin pi plus theta by sin theta, and sin pi plus theta is minus sin theta by sin theta equals to minus 1, which is our RHS part and truth. In the next video we discuss another sum.